Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you find the value of this expression? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, so in this video I can solve this question step by step. And don't skip this video and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of math challenge. So guys, mostly people can wrong this question. He can cancel 8 and 8, and the answer is 8 divided by 1. So the answer is equal to 8. But guys, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, where P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, in PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But guys, remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. But in this case, only multiplication and division have present. So here we can solve it from left to right. So I can solve it from left to right, but also here one rule which is called KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. We can use this rule in this fraction. So 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8. Okay guys, KCF rule state that when you change division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator. Here 8 times 8 equals to 64 times 8. Okay. Now in next step, when you multiply 64 times 8, then the answer is 512, means 512. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.